Okay, cool. So, do you want to become a logo designer, service provider? What exactly you want to become? Have you decided on this?
To yes, to be honest, I actually wanted to provide services on Fiverr
Okay.
because I actually spoke with a friend of mine who actually buys stuff from Fiverr. So that's how I got
So
to think
answer,
that it's something
you want to
reliable.
provide, okay, you want to provide a service on Fiverr. What service do you think you would like to go with?
Markups and
Sorry, what?
markups, logos, designs, uh, the animated. Yes.
Logo design. And so
A couple of videos,
couple
maybe
of videos. So let's do this. Just to make things easy for you, okay? The reason I put in these
sure.
questions is because I just wanted to make sure you pick up one, right? Now because you've picked up
Yeah.
this one, right? You want to become a service provider, right? You want to become a service
Yes.
provider. So I will be providing you a coaching based on your answer, okay? So
Yes. Thank you.
my coaching would be based on this, on how you can become a successful service provider on Fiverr. What gigs you can start with to put your foot in Fiverr, and to get your first order, right?
Okay.
First order. How you can work in a way so that become you can get your five star feedbacks on Fiverr, right? And
Okay.
basically build your profile, because in order to make money from Fiverr, you have to build your profile, okay?
Yes.
Let me tell you the opportunity, okay? What is the opportunity in Fiverr? uh, Fiverr user makes six figures, okay? So
Really?
yes, how these people are making six figures on Fiverr, and this is on Forbes, okay? This is coming from Forbes, okay?
Wow.
C and BC, how to make six figures on Fiverr, how this 38-year-old is making six figures on Fiverr. So there's an opportunity for you so that you can make six figures on Fiverr, okay? So
Okay.
let's go through a couple of these articles quickly so that you get that desire and fire in you, so that you can work with that focus, okay? Like Fiverr is not
Uh,
just part-time stuff. People are making six figures with this. So check this out. This is an article from Forbes, okay? How these three people make six figures a year on Fiverr. One gig site, Fiverr freelancer offer their services for $5 and up a piece in areas as diverse as graphics, design, writing, music, and audio, video, and animation programming, and more. While $5 for a project seems like a pittance, actually $4 once Fiverr takes its cut. A number of workers on the site have turned it into a lucrative platform, earning six figures a year, right? Here are their stories, plus tips for succeeding on the site. Houston, resume writer, career consultant, and recruiter, $38,000 to $48,000 a month just from Fiverr. Don't you think this is a good income for you by
it
providing,
is.
right?
It
I started
is.
Fiverr in
Yeah.
2011 when I was a full-time corporate recruiter, and my husband and I were saving up for adoption. I love writing resumes and was already doing it. And I thought this might be a great way to earn extra money. When I started, I had zero feedback and referrals after my name, so I was doing resume revamps for $5. If it was an executive resume, it was extra. My prices then were probably 10% of what they are now, like $15 per gig on average. I was still working full time, so maybe $10 to $15 an hour. A year and a half, Fiverr promoted me to level two status. Okay, based on my positive
Yeah.
customer ratings, so I could increase my prices. We were blessed to save enough for our adoption, so we have a beautiful 3-year-old now. in August 2013, after she was born, I reassessed things and said, I make this work full time. I put more effort into marketing and offering other gigs like career counseling, training people for interviews, and writing cover letters and LinkedIn profiles, which allowed me to make more money. And I also, got several certifications to make sure I was the best resume writer I could be, and that I could stand behind my prices. At that point, my average price per order was probably $30 to $50 in 2013, okay, per resume. I was making about $15,000 a month. In 2014, I made another $100,000 jump. And in 2015, when I earned $320,000, yet another 100K jump. Now for executives whose
Wow.
materials take a long time, I charge $500 to $800. Okay. As time has gone on, over 40% of my business has become through referrals. So people tell their friends to join Fiverr and find me. For new graduates or teachers, I'll do their resume for $30. Fiverr changed my idea of selling. They allow you to do custom offers. My first line says contact me for a custom offer. So I can review the resume, see if they want a LinkedIn profile as well, or free interview tips, or a LinkedIn bio delivered rush for free, and give them a custom price. Taking the leap to full time was scary, honestly, partially because I was so used to being around people all day, but I'm internally grateful to Fiverr. Adoption is very expensive and it allowed us to do that, and we may again. It's all given me flexibility, the ability to spend more time with my daughter, go take a breakfast, take care Wednesday afternoon and do stuff. On the flip side, I don't really take a day off. We love to travel, but when we do, we take it with us. I write resumes from the middle of nowhere. I also work evenings because a lot of people contact me when they get home from work. I work about 50 to 55 hours a week. Provide exceptional customer service. Tips. Okay, now check this out. If you want to become a Fiverr user, you need to provide exceptional customer service. Okay, deliver something a little
Yeah.
extra than the client asks for. Be in contact. I get so many orders, but even a simple message saying thank you so much for your order, I'll be in touch, goes a long way. Fiverr has introduced quick messaging where you don't have to type every word out. So for every order, even though all my orders are due in 7 to 10 days, I tell them within 24 hours, I received their order and will be delivered on time. Now this guy, 36, age 36, from Columbia, Missouri, copywriter, earns $10,000 to $15,000 a month, right? Again, another
Yeah.
story. Las Vegas, age 33, voice-over artist, right? She earns
Wow.
$15,000 a month, right? Now, this article is coming from Forbes, so it's 100% legit. Let's go to CNBC, right? Now, again, how this 25-year-old freelancer made $150,000 in 6 months of Fiverr. Okay, so pretty much looks good, right? So
Yeah.
I'll guide you on what you can do to put your foot in the door and start earning your first dollar and first orders. That won't be a problem for you because I have done Fiverr myself, made a lot of money with Fiverr when I started into uh, when I was new in the game, in the digital marketing game. Okay, uh, so I know how to get the foot in the Fiverr. I'm just showing this for inspiration. So, and after that, I'm going to provide you a laser focused coaching on how you can make some good money with Fiverr. Okay, I have students
Perfect.
who have made anywhere from, my students have made anywhere from 1,000 to up to 2,000 to up to $3,000 from Fiverr. Okay, just following what I just told
Wow.
you. Okay, with a white hat approach only.
Nice.
So this 38-year-old quit his finance job. Here's how he's making six figures freelancing on Fiverr. Another article, right? So now, pretty much, now, are you feeling more motivated after seeing this stuff?
Absolutely.
Awesome, awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to guide you how you can start making money from Fiverr and slowly move, put your foot in and then move up. Okay.